I'm Teresa Howes, and today I wanted to show you how to make juice. Raw juice, is one of the best ways to alkalize your body and keep it happy and healthy. And your basic green beginner juice, there really is no standard recipe. And avid juicers have all sort of concocted their own recipes based on their own personal preferences. But they would all include things like spinach and kale and green peppers, even things like jalapenos and cilantro. You'll find all of these interesting ingredients in recipes. But a best rule of thumb is that if it's green and it's a vegetable, it's a good ingredient for green juice. Through a lot of trial and error, I've devised my basic beginner green juice to include the following ingredients. I make sure that I use 3 cups of spinach, I use a half a cucumber, a half a green pepper, 1 small green apple, 2 stalks of celery, a quarter of a fresh lemon wedge, and also 1 inch of ginger. When you're ready to serve your juice, squeeze the quarter of the lemon in the bottom of your glass. Pour the juice on top, and you're ready to go. Make sure you drink your juice within the first 20 minutes after making it to maximize the healthy benefits of it. And the last step in the juicing process is washing the juicer. Yes, it takes some time, but I promise you that the longer you wait, it only gets harder to do.